What if a tiny piece of fuel the size of a sugar cube could power an entire city? Sounds impossible, right? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how it happens. Nuclear energy is one of the most powerful energy sources humans have ever discovered. It comes from the energy stored inside the nucleus, or the center of atoms. When this energy is released, it produces enormous amounts of heat that can be used to generate electricity. Today, nuclear power plants provide electricity to millions of homes around the world. Most power plants produce energy through a process called nuclear fission. In nuclear fission, atoms of uranium are split inside a nuclear reactor. When a uranium atom splits, it releases a large amount of heat energy along with smaller particles called neutrons. These neutrons collide with other uranium atoms, causing them to split as well, and creating a chain reaction that continues to release heat. The heat produced in this reactor is used to boil water and turn it into steam. The steam spins large turbines connected to generators, which produces electricity. Nuclear energy has several important advantages. One major benefit is that it produces an extremely large amount of energy from a very small amount of fuel. A single uranium fuel pellet can produce as much energy as a ton of coal. Nuclear power also produces very low greenhouse gas emissions during operation, making it an important tool in reducing climate change. Nuclear power plants are also very reliable because, unlike solar or wind energy, they can operate continuously and produce electricity day and night. However, like any good scientific discovery, it also has challenges. One of the biggest concerns is radioactive waste, which can remain dangerous for thousands of years and must be stored very carefully. These power plants are also very expensive to build and maintain because of the advanced technology and safety systems required. There have also been rare but serious accidents, such as the Chernobyl disaster in 1986, which showed the dangers of nuclear radiation when safety systems fail. Despite these challenges, scientists are working to make nuclear power safer with improved reactor designs and better waste management. Researchers are also studying nuclear fusion, the same process that powers the sun, and that could produce much more clean energy with far less waste in the future. Nuclear energy remains a powerful and reliable source of electricity, and with improved technology, it could play an important role in providing clean energy for the future. Now that's all I have for you today. Bye, ciao, and I'll see you in the next one.